So now we're just going to get the stamens ready for the wafer paper anemone. So this applies to all anemone, even sugar, it's the same. So I have 3 bunches of these stamens taped together, and that you know how do we do that? We just kind of get the wire in between and then fold them to make sure both the sides, the stamens, are the same height, and you need 3 such bunches, and then get the black dust and just dust the tip, just change the yellow alone to black. Now it doesn't have to be yellow for this matter, we are just going to have the tip alone black. If you have a white stamen, that will still work too. A little bit of yellow won't hurt too. They kind of look natural also, they'll help make the anemone natural. And as you're doing this, just fan it out, because anyway we just want it to be fanned out, so all the 3 bunches look uniform and they just spread out around the center. Just on the tip, we don't want it to be like all throughout. So we just have done the 3 stamens. That is now ready. So we could just move on to the next step. I'll catch you up in that lesson where we're going to use the stamens together with the center and finish making the anemone.